welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a different video. So I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. This is mainly a typical weekend plan. This video will include a breakfast recipe for some Turkish delight baked oats, and that's the first thing that we're going to make for breakfast. So stay tuned. I'll leave the ingredients just in the next slide for this one, so you can screenshot it, make it yourself. We'll also leave the recipe down in the description box for this one, where it came from. And stay tuned and we'll get into breakfast. this is the Turkish light baked oats all done, and I've popped on the chocolate sauce. Unfortunately mine went a bit more solid, so you do want to use this as soon as you made it. And we're going to enjoy this with a cup of tea for breakfast. I've got a few errands to run, so I'll see you at lunchtime to show you what I eat then. So the next thing I'm going to make is my lunch, and I've decided to go for some homemade toasted bread with an avocado on top, and I'm also going to include a bit of black pepper, some chilli flakes and a drizzle of balsamic. So stay tuned for that, I'll get on with making that. This is my lunch, and I'm having homemade bread with an avocado mashed up on top, along with some pepper chilies and a bit of balsamic glaze. And then I've got a cup of coffee, which is a Beanies track orange, glass of water, and I'm going to have a nut bar afterwards. So that's my lunch. So it's dinner time now, and I'm going to make myself and my husband some no chicken burgers, and we like to enjoy these with homemade chips, so we do these in our air fryer. And also we're going to have some onion rings just on the side, so I'll show you how I get all this made. So that's our tea. I've just plated up, and we've got the burger buns there with the no chicken burgers and the cooked gherkins inside. Also included some mint yogurt sauce in there, and then the chips that I've just done in our air fryer with some paprika on, and some onion rings that I just did in the oven as well with the burgers. So that's mine and my husband's. We're going to go and enjoy these for our tea, and that's everything I've been eating today. So I hope you enjoyed that video of seeing what I eat in a weekend day. It's something new that I've done, so I hope you enjoyed that recipe for the breakfast as well. And if you do make that, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a like, and also you can subscribe up here and catch my previous video just over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!